positions in her mid-thoracics today. Okay. Excellent. Sorry about that. Okay, that's all I'm going to do now.
Dreh erstmal, um zu gucken, wie weit du kannst. Weit. Da ist Schluss, ne?
Is to warm up. Perfect. I know you heard that one all the way over there. So now what I'm going to do is move up into her upper thoracics right here. There we go. Now just let this relax for me. There. She's got some pretty tight traps here today. I'm sure she probably worked out her entire body yesterday. And spiritual well-being as well. So we take care of people. Drop this right in my hand. She got one more at her atlas right there. And
deep breath. And out. And go. Cute. Deep breath. No. Good job.
There you go. Drop your head right in my hands. I got you. That's his Atlas C2. Oh, there's C3 through C5.
Und einmal auf der anderen Seite, jetzt C2. Ganz saubere kleine Korrektur. Und dann auf der C2. So. Perfekt.
Good.
Good. Other side. And let's adjust right there. Okay. Relax. Oh, good. On your back. Relax. Let it go down. Easy. Oh. And very gentle. One more little one. Let fall. Wow.
So what I want you to do is just relax this left shoulder, and then I'm going to go ahead and adjust. I'm going to go ahead and finish adjusting her. Relax this right side. Perfect. How's that feel? Better. Good. And breathe all the way out. Good. And you get one more here. And breathe out.
We're going to set it really light, okay? Really light. Left ear down, down. There you go. That's it.
Yeah, your neck doesn't move on the left at all. Okay, relax. So there's a little bit here as well. Good.
Okay, you might feel a bit of a shock in that one. I've got to move this vertebra forward. Drop into my left hand. That moved quite well, considering the disc is so thin. Drop into the right hand here. That's called an adjustment.
I'm going to swing you here. You may feel this all the way up. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold on. Oh yeah, big time. Bend your knee. Out like a flamingo. Up here and breathing out. Here we go with adjustment. Done. And rest. This is for the interpubic joint and the two ball and sockets. Breathe in and breathe out. Here we go. Hold and rest. And breathing in and breathing out. Here we go with the thrust. And back. And rest. Breathing in and breathing out. And rest. And breathing out. Over like this we go. Here we go. Thrust. And relax. And breathing out.
And we'll start there on that right side. So I'm going to tip you over, just right ear to your shoulder. Look up this way just a bit. Good job. And we'll get one more on the left here. I want you to tip this left ear over to your shoulder and look up this way just a bit. Really good. Okay. Oh, good.
Nice and relaxed. There's your neck starting to go already. Feel that? Oh yeah, this guy's a big self-adjuster.
Yeah.
Which is terrible, people. Stop self-adjusting.
Oh.
Good.